Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something exciting and very easy to prepare food, and that is mango sticky rice. So this is mango sticky rice. It is so um, it is so easy to prepare. All you have to do is this is 2 cups of pilit glutinous rice or pilit that has been washed, and then we will next is we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next we add 1/2 cup water, and then 1 can of this coconut milk. This will be cooked just like the rice that you are cooking. Sino hindi ka ba lumagtigang? Hindi ka ba lumagtigang? Hindi ka kaon sticky rice. Okay? So, I will transfer this in our cutie rice cooker. Tapos ako pa sa guya ko. Ako nga guya. Okay, next we'll transfer this in our rice cooker, and then bugat. And then we will cook it until all the liquid is evaporated, just like when you tigang, just like when you cook rice. So this recipe does not need baking, does not need mixer, just the usual tinigang that you do at home. And okay, so this will go to our rice cooker. Dali lang. We are now ready to make our coconut sauce. Add 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons sugar. Blend them all until everything is dissolved, and add 2 small cans of coconut cream. Blend them all, cook until it becomes thick. So I have made 2 mounds of sticky rice. Now we will drizzle it with our ano siya? Coconut syrup. Coconut syrup. Ay, grabe, hindi kitao ng sticky rice. Coconut syrup. If you want to have more, ari pa. Kitao. Kitao na nga ito nga ano. Sticky rice, pigadigad ta. Okay. Next is we add our mangoes. Basta kinahanglan, mangoes are in season now, so it is best that you choose the sweetest mango you can find. And this one is from Guimaras. How do you know that the mango is from Guimaras or somewhere else? Basta remember that the seed is thin. Pero in order for you to find out if it is from Guimaras, you have to finish and open and then judge if the seed is thin. Okay. Puno-puno na, kulang-kulang pa. Okay, there. Next is we have some toasted sesame seeds. Mudamuon ta. Oh, there. So you can make this one too. Obra kita kay makaon kita dulungan sang mango sticky rice. See there. Stop. So here is our mango sticky rice. Very easy to prepare and not so very expensive and very delicious mango sticky rice. Kaon ta everyone. Thanks for watching. Away pagkalikot.